Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to remove your bathroom faucet. So it's very easy. You don't need a plumber to come to your house to do it. You just need a few basic tools and it's something you can do it yourself. So for the tools, we're gonna need some pliers. We're gonna need a wrench and some sealant tape for the pipes, and then it's a messy job, so some paper towels and maybe a small container to catch the water underneath, so that we don't make a mess and end up having leaks in your house. All right, let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is turn off these valves. This one is for the cold water and this one is for the hot water. So you just turn them that way, make sure that's all locked tight, and then the same here. And then this is the drain, so we're gonna need to unscrew this one. That's what you're gonna use the pliers for. And then we need to unscrew this and this using your wrench. And then if you come down here, this is the opening and closing system for the drain. And up there, if you look up there, there are two nuts, one on each side. You can see the one on this side here, and that's what holds your faucet. So we're gonna need to unscrew that. So we unscrew this one. Like that. To remove this drainage lever, we're just gonna need to unscrew this one over here. And then push it up like that. And then right here, we just unscrew this. And it just comes right off. That's why you need to have something you can catch the water with. And then after you unscrew this one is just gonna drop, and then turn this. Pull that out. One thing you might want to do is clean this part over here, because hair and other stuff will get into it and it'll get all clogged, and so your water will not be draining out fast. So if we open this right here, look at that. it's all nasty. You see that? You want to clean that. You don't want that being there. So we're gonna clean that, and then we're gonna install it. Now we're gonna have 2 more nuts, and then we'll be able to pull the faucet right out. Now we can just go ahead and pull this out, and you might want to squeeze right here like that so that this can come out. That's the faucet. That's the gasket. And this is gonna be our new drainage. And these are the new nuts that we are going to use to hold the faucet. Pay attention to this, because this is showing you how the seals and everything go into the drainage. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna need to do is install the gasket, and then we put that one right there. And the next thing is to attach this on the underside. And you want to make sure your faucet is aligned before you tighten this all the way. So I'm gonna check that. Once that's tight, repeat the process on the other side. Next thing we need is to connect this side. So make sure you don't confuse them. The hot water side, you keep it on this side, and then the cold water side, you keep it on this side. And then this goes right in there. And your other side goes right there. sure it's tight. So this is the new drain, and so what you do is you want to unscrew this first and then pull that out, leave this one here, and then pop it in, and this is gonna be your new stopper to stop the water from going down. So you just put it in, and there's not gonna be the lever that is normally here at the back. So this is just a spring, it's spring loaded, and so you just push, it's closed, open, closed, open. The next thing we need is to connect our drain, and so this seal goes up there, and then you're gonna have this to tighten. But before you tighten completely, don't forget this goes there, and then you have your drainage connector down here, goes in here. Make sure it's tight. Push this all the way up. And then this goes up. And then this goes there. Perfect. And then you screw it back this one. Now all we need to do is turn back on the water. On both sides. Cold water. Hot water. Then to drain. No leaks at all. Check one more time, make sure everything is good, there's no leaks. And that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Like this video, and thank you for watching.